What if you could earn money even while you are sleeping? One of the biggest reasons people are interested in affiliate marketing. When it's done the right way, affiliate marketing can create a steady stream of passive income. But many beginners think it's a way to get rich quickly, and that's simply not true. It takes time, consistent effort, and the right strategy. The good news is that once your content starts bringing visitors, it can continue earning commissions for months or even years. In this video, I will explain how to build passive income with affiliate marketing step by step. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow online by using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from the description for useful tools and affiliate programs that I mentioned in this video. By using the description links, any available discount or promotion will be applied automatically. Now let's get into main part of the video. The first step is choosing the right niche. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is promoting random products. Instead, choose one niche and stay focused on it. Technology, software, online business, web hosting, personal finance, health, and education, they are all popular affiliate niches because people are always searching for products in these categories. When your content focuses on one topic, it is easier to build trust with your audience. Next, choose the product that solves real problems. Don't promote something just because it offers a high commission. Ask yourself whether the product is actually useful for your viewers. If people trust your recommendations, they are much more likely to buy through your links. It's better to recommend a few quality products than dozens of products that you don't really believe in. Now, let's create helpful content. Affiliate marketing works best when you help people to make informed decisions. You can create product reviews, comparison videos, tutorials, beginner guides, or problem solving content. For example, instead of simply saying tool is good, show people how it works, explain the benefits and who it is best for. Helpful content continues attracting viewers long after it published. Another important step is using SEO. Search engine optimization helps people to discover your content through Google and YouTube. Before creating content, research what your audience is searching for. Use those keywords naturally in your titles, headlines, and descriptions. When your articles or videos rank in search results, they can continue bringing visitors without needing paid advertising. Now, let's talk about building multiple content sources. Don't depend on only one platform. You can write blog articles, publish YouTube videos, social media content. You can grow an email list and share content through email or podcast. A blog can bring visitors from Google, YouTube can attract viewers through the search and recommendations, and your email list lets you stay connected with your audience. The more ways people can find your content, the more opportunities you have to earn affiliate commissions. Now, let's discuss about the consistency. Passive income does not happen after publishing one video or one blog post. Most successful affiliate marketers build a library of helpful content over time. Every article and every video becomes another opportunity for someone to discover your affiliate links. As your content library grows, your earning potential also grows. Another important tip is tracking your results. Pay attention to which videos, blog posts, or products generate the most clicks and sales. This helps you to understand what your audience is interested in. Once you know what's working, create more content around similar topics and continue improving your older content whenever possible. Now, let's talk about the building trust. Never recommend products you have not researched or would not use yourself. People can quickly tell when someone is promoting something just to earn a commission. Be honest about the advantages and the limitations of the product. Building trust takes time, but once people trust your recommendations, they are much more likely to come back to your content and purchases through your affiliate links again. Finally, remember that affiliate marketing is a long-term business. Some people earn their first commission within a few weeks, while others take several months. Don't get discouraged if the results are slow at the beginning. Every helpful piece of the content you publish that becomes a digital asset that can continue growing for you long after you have finished creating it. So, what's the best way to build passive income with affiliate marketing? Choose one niche, recommend products that genuinely help people, create valuable content consistently, learn basics of SEO, build an audience on multiple platforms, track your results, and focus on earning trust instead of making quick sales. As your content grows, your opportunities to earn passive income will continue growing too. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope this guide helped you to understand how to build passive income with affiliate marketing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the description for useful tools and affiliate sources that can help you to get started. And thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.